Now, there are some other themes that are working, assuming we get a blue wave. Biden could be great for some of the cannabis names. Hey, more on that later in the show, called a tease. He'd be fabulous for renewable energy. Trump loves fossil fuels, oil, gas, even coal. Hey, by the way, the dirtier the better, because it's good for U.S. jobs, and the president has trouble with that global warming concept. He wants oil companies to drill in the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. The thing is, there's only so much the president can do. Coal's dead. Nobody wants to build new coal plants when the next Democrat in the White House will tell you to tear them down. No oil company wants to drill in ANWR because they'll be crucified if anything goes wrong. It's not economic, and it's not worth the trouble. Meanwhile, under Trump, we've seen a huge gain in renewables because, like it or not, they're the future. If Biden wins, though, the Democrats are eager to throw money at solar. That's what they do, okay, which is why the stocks are running. Now, I like 3 solar plays. There's the straightforward one, which is First Solar, endorsed by JMP today on the strength of its backlog. Generac, we had them on recently. It's essential for storage, so your power doesn't go out when the sun goes down. And Tesla, which has a big solar biz. Remember when Elon Musk floated the idea at a dinner that I went to that I was just a simulation? That was more than 5 years ago. I challenged his idea that we'd all get our electricity from a giant solar field in northwest Colorado. That was his plan. In reality, it won't be concentrated like that. Fortunately, Musk has figured that out. The future looks like lots of distributed solar panels that flow back into the grid. Tesla's solar biz can help make that happen. Meanwhile, First Solar makes the actual solar modules. And this one feels like a stealing candy from the baby situation. The company's already in a great position. So if Biden wins, they'll make a fortune. Frankly, any one of these solar companies for the next 2 weeks is going to work. Actually don't even need particular. I usually don't like to say that, but it's true. What else? I see a lot of infrastructure plays that are rallying, though they gave up the ghost this afternoon. I keep recommending Cat and Deere. But if there's a Democratic sweep, you could see a major infrastructure package. But I've heard so many guys yapping about this. It's very unoriginal. All day I heard it's at Vulcan Materials, it's Martin Marietta, whatever. But you know what? I'll add Waste Management to that amalgam. We own it for the Travel Trust. They make a fortune cleaning up after new construction. But before you buy these stocks betting on a Biden stimulus bill, let's think this through. Those who owned U.S. Concrete, think this through. Remember, we've been through this thing since 2009. Even with an infrastructure bill, our government has forgotten how to build things. By the time that money gets through the states, it can take years before they start construction. This isn't Eisenhower's America. We can put that interstate highway system right up there. It's 2020. Where they'll hire a bunch of consultants, they'll loot the budget, maybe bring a dozen guys with a couple of machines sitting by the road. You get the picture. There are things we could do to get our infrastructure groove back, but it can't happen overnight, and maybe we can't even do it.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.